Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving north on U.S. Highway 11E, beginning in Hamblin County, as we enter the unincorporated community of Russellville, Tennessee. George Russell founded Russellville in 1784, receiving a significant piece of land in what was then Greene County, North Carolina. During the American Civil War, Confederate Lieutenant General James Longstreet set up headquarters in the Nenny House in Russellville after the Battle of Bean Station in December of 1863. The Confederate Army under Longstreet used Russellville as their winter camp during 1863 to 1864. The Nenny House, now known as the General Longstreet Museum, still stands. Another house, Hayslope, where General Lafayette McLaws stayed that winter, was originally a tavern built by early settlers and is still standing. General Joseph B. Kershaw was located at the nearby Taylor Plantation. Bethesda Presbyterian Church, located nearby, served as a hospital during the Civil War and is now listed on the National Register of Historic Places. The church has numerous wartime burials, with 80 being unidentified. In the early to mid-20th century, Russellville played a central role in the production and distribution of bootleg whiskey. As of 2020, certain parts of the Russellville community, including an industrial park, have been incorporated into the city limits of Morristown. As of the most recent census, Russellville had a population of 822. We passed through Whitesburg, another unincorporated community, part of the Morristown Metropolitan Statistical Area. A U.S. post office and 2 schools, both parts of the Hamblin County school system, are located in Whitesburg. We enter Hawkins County in the town of Bull's Gap. The town got its name from John Bull, a renowned gunsmith who lived in the Mountain Gap. As of the 2020 census, the population of the town was 756. This town is part of the Metropolitan Statistical Area, which contributes to the larger Johnson City, Kingsport, Bristol, Tennessee, Virginia Combined Statistical Area, commonly referred to as the Tri-Cities region. The Bulls Gap Historic District, encompassing the downtown area, is officially recognized and listed on the National Register of Historic Places. During November of 1864, a minor Civil War engagement took place in this area known as the Battle of Bulls Gap. The Confederate forces emerged triumphant in this encounter, led by victorious General John C. Breckinridge. Here the concurrency with State Route 66 ends. We enter Greene County as well as the town of Mossheim. We'll talk about that in our next video, as we're going to wrap this one up here at mile 52. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.